Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, 29-year experience over 50,000 golf cart fixed. We got a club car gas. Guy said he replaced everything on it. New battery, new RPM limiter. Starter looks not new, but okay. First thing I'm gonna do is check battery voltage. Like always. Well, did the gas? Nothing. Then we're gonna go to a blue wire on a solenoid here. Verify we get voltage here and turn key on. Yep. So we want to, if you don't have voltage there, check your key switch or your wire from the key switch. Now we're going to our orange wire. This is our ground, so we're going to jump this here with gas. Get voltage. So solenoid should click. Battery show. 12.6, 12.6 here. So you hit the gas, it don't click, but I'll just give it a ground here to the orange wire. See nothing there, now we'll give it a hot. Yeah, nothing there. Now this last test here, what I'm gonna do is give my hot to hot and give my ground to ground. And you'll see the solenoid doesn't click. So that right there tells you the solenoid is bad. So there we go, 50,002, man, got a bad solenoid. Hey, hey, hey.